French family celebrated receiving their 1 million subscriber thank you on YouTube. They expressed excitement and gratitude for their subscriber despite feeling the thank is smaller than expected. During a game, they notice a drone flying overhead which they believe is spying on them. The drone appears to have flashing lights and flies away quickly after they notice it. They discuss the possibility of the drone being used to surveillance or being operated by a stalker. The family expresses concern about their privacy being invaded and the potential danger of the situation. They contemplate the origin of the drone and whether it could be linked to fans or stalkers. The video ends with Rayssa feeling anxious and wanting to ensure the family's safety, suggesting they close windows and stay alert. JP offers to drive around to check for the drone's return while Rayssa stays outside. Rayssa concludes the video urging viewers to like, comment, share and subscribe. So guys, thanks for watching the video.